We guide you through how to create a new AI speaker in Descript. Start by opening Descript and creating a new project or opening an existing one. Once your project is ready, click the AI voices or speakers option, depending on your version of Descript. Select Create New AI Speaker and follow the prompts to begin the voice creation process. You'll be asked to record several sample sentences so the script can analyze your voice accurately. Make sure you're in a quiet environment, speak clearly, and maintain a consistent tone while recording each line. After submitting your recordings, wait for the script to process and generate your AI speaker, which may take a few minutes. Once it's done or ready, you'll find your new AI speaker in your voice library. To use it, simply add text to your script, choose your newly created AI speaker, and let the script generate realistic voice narration in your own voice. You can also edit the text anytime, and the AI voice will automatically update without needing to record again.